Good morning, guys. It's currently 6 a.m. and it's rainy morning. It's cold. Lalo na't wala ka. Ay, hindi pala ikaw. Yeah. Hi guys, let's unbox this. I bought this a few days ago. Let's unbox this. before I start my study, I just want to share my bullet journal I did last week. This is it. This is like a lighthouse I painted, and it says that she is at the place in her life where peace is her priority and negativity cannot exist. I think I saw the quote in Pinterest. I forgot to put who wrote it, but it's so nice. I can relate to it. That's why. So yeah, this is my Hi there, good morning. So it's been a while since I did go for a walk, and it feels so great. Even though the weather is not with me today, it's so gloomy. Yeah. And but it feels so good because it's been a while since I go for a walk. Did I say that again? I'm sorry. So yeah, I'll say that it's worth it to connect with the nature again is such a thing. And today it's so this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy my vlog, and please do like, subscribe, and comment down below. I love reading your comment, guys. And yeah, see you in the next vlog. Bye.